Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here you're going to scroll all the way down to System and Update at the very bottom, and then you want to select Reset right over here, and then Reset Phone. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. Most importantly, out of this list, you should probably care the most about music, photos, and files, which otherwise could be considered as user data. In this case, if you have anything like that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it to, for instance, your computer. And assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, you can select Reset Phone. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. It does give you the option to back it up right here, though keep in mind this will be done as a backup to the HUAWEI cloud, meaning that if you're getting a new phone and that phone isn't going to be a HUAWEI device, you lose access to this backup that you have created. So it might be best to create it to your computer, which gives you the best versatility. Anyway, from here I'm going to select Reset Phone because I have nothing that I want to back up, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will take about 2-3 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.